Hi there, so my name is Keith Griggs. I am an Excel fanatic. I've been using Excel pretty much every day for the last 30 years. I used to be an accountant. I used to produce management accounts all the time, and these really complicated spreadsheets and so on. And what I want to do is just really share my passion and enthusiasm for Excel, and also to just teach you everything I know so that you get as good as I am at it. And it's just a fantastic software. It can just save you so much time, and it can make you look brilliant because you can be able to do things that everyone else thinks really difficult to do, but actually it's pretty easy once you know how. The theme of this course is about mastering data in Excel, so it's taking various skills to the next level, which you might need quite a lot sometimes, and when you need it, it can just be very frustrating if you don't know the shortcut how to do it, and you end up doing it some really long, laborious way that could have errors in it. So let me just show you the spreadsheet that I create in the course and that you can download as part of it, because really the best way of working, of learning, is for you to just follow along and do the tasks as I am doing them into your own spreadsheet, and then you can compare my spreadsheet with yours and then see if it helps you work out exactly how I did it. This is a massive table of data that I created, and part of the course is how to format it. Then we work there. Another thing I do is to work with duplicates, and here you can see these numbers are all duplicates. These names, James, John, Robert, are duplicates, and these numbers 94, it's the same in these two cells. So Excel managed to identify these because we're using additional formatting to do that, and Excel has made these red, so they're very easy to spot, because quite often you have duplicate data and but it shouldn't be there, so you need to identify it and then delete it. Another big thing is splitting cells, especially if you're downloading data from another source, from a CSV file. You end up with these long strings of, maybe with commas in, maybe without, and you just need to split it into columns. So I'll show you how to do that. Like, this is an example of something I downloaded, and here you can see I've split it into columns, so I've put these amounts in this column and so on. So it's very easy once you know how, but if you don't know how, then you're totally stuffed when you try and download and import data. And another thing that's very useful is combining cells. For example, here we've got John, the first names in one column and the surnames in another. So I'll show you how to merge them together with a space or without a space, or if you want to add in other words like month of Jan. So I give you a few examples how to combine cells together, which is very useful. And then also show you how to find and replace data, which is very important, and I use it very frequently. And also show you how to find percentage increases, like here the movement from Jan to Feb is down 334, which is down 96%, and that's all done by formula. And again here and here, so here we have a movement column, and here I'll show you how to do it without that extra column, so it's just a bit more involved formula. So I'll show you a lot of really useful skills that I think you'll be using quite a lot once you master them. So I hope you enjoy the course.